Hey, what's up, everybody? Well, we're back, and I've got a new update for you, just as I promised. We made another significant change to the truck, and I'm excited to see how this one turns out. So we're out here at Extreme Offset Rims. If you guys want to look this guy up, look him up on Facebook, and his name's Mike. If you guys want to do anything custom to your truck, get some custom wheels, tires, lift kits, whatever, level kits, things like that, bring it down here. He runs a great shop, and he offers really good prices. He takes good care of you. Really good on the communication as well. So I'm excited to show you what we did to this truck. Stick around. Well, there it is. Check that out. That thing looks fantastic. Man, I love the change. So, as you can tell, we obviously did a lift and we did some tires. So, it's a 6-inch rough country suspension lift, and I'll show you the part number and the kit that we bought. And then we did 37-inch tires. So, 37-inch 1250 on my 20-inch wheels. So, I'll take you guys in and do a little walk around in just a minute. Hey everybody, we're just gonna do a quick walkthrough. We're out here at the shop. You got Mike and Donnie here. They're gonna walk us through and tell us kind of everything that we just did to the truck. I'm so excited with the results. It turned out great. They run a cool little shop here. They took real good care of me. In fact, they even ended up staying late to do a little bit extra work on it that was unexpected. And so I absolutely appreciate them. Please come out, visit their shop, look them up on Facebook, and I'll put their information there so you can find them. So let's have them walk you through it. Go ahead.
So on this beautiful Ram, we did a 6-inch rough country lift with the lifted struts. He's got a 6-inch N3 strut in here. Comes with longer sway bar links. The awesome thing about these Rams is if you don't run a really wide wheel, you can clear 37s without having to trim anything on a 6-inch lift. You go 20 by 12, we can still clear 37s, but we'll have to do a little bit of trim here and back here, but they clear with no rub on a 6-inch lift. You get new cross members down here. Skid plate. On his truck, we put him some new CV axles in tonight. You can see the diff drops. We bring the diff down to get the CV axles back straight. And then if you come to the back, well, we'll stop right here too. Get a front driveline spacer to extend the driveline back to set it back in the transfer case. Back here in the back, this kit, he upgraded to the variable coil for the back. So we got a new coil spring, new shocks. Right here, we've got an upper control arm relocation bracket to raise it up. On the back, he gets extended sway bar links as well to correct the geometry of the sway bar. Then over here, the really fun part, installing the track bar drop bracket. 3 holes drilled to help secure it in place, perfectly centered back underneath the factory hole. And that's pretty much what the lift kit consists of.
And then what kind of tires did we go with?
We go with some Ironman MT. They're really good. They've been in the market for, I don't know, 20 years, but they just came out with a new pattern. So you're one of the few that got that new style.
Ironman.
You're gonna love those in the winter. Deep snow, they're great.
Yeah, they look good. Those 37s look really good wrapped on there.
And if you have the air system and you want to delete your air system and just do a straight 6-inch and delete that system, We can do that too.
Perfect.
We've done a few of them.
Well, these guys, they know what they're doing. Come on down to their shop, hit them up. They'll give you a good quote, and they've been really quick to get me in, really good at the communication on this. And if something unexpected comes up, they're really good about taking care of you there too. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. And I'm sure we'll be back.
Awesome, man.
Okay.